Hi, my name is Viraj. I put up in Model Town in Delhi. I was searching the one of the best, digital marketing courses in Delhi. So it was on the top list only. It's incredible journey with Digital Vidya. The courses were comprehensive, the instructors were knowledgeable, and the support throughout was outstanding. And the practical insights I gained significantly boosted my skills in digital marketing. The interactive sessions and handout on projects and all the courses in LMS were made learning and more enjoyable. And Digital Vidya's commitment to providing quality education truly stood out. I feel well prepared for the dynamic world of a digital marketing. I highly recommend Digital Vidya for anyone seeking rewarding and enriching learning experience in this field.